Hello everyone, let's open this one. This is Dinosaur Hunt. Open here. Alright, here we go. Okay, let's open this first. Oh, let me see here. Oh, we got purple dino. And see here. Oh, the head. Then we got the neck. Okay. Alright. We got a body, we got a neck and head. What's here? Okay, let's open another one. Here. See what's in here. Ooh. What is this? Oh, the legs. Okay. The dino legs. We have legs. Alright, next. Okay. Oh, there's two. Alright, let's separate that one. Alright. Open. Ooh. What's in here? Oh, the tail. Yes, we got tail. And what is this? Oh, it's a trap. Yeah, it looks like a trap. Okay, next, the last one. Ooh. Oh, the other legs. Okay, we got him all. Alright. Now, let's make our dinosaur. Alright, let's put the tail first. There you go. Okay. Oops. Kinda hard. Okay, got it. Yay! Alright. Oh. Okay, push more. There you go. Alright. Okay. Now, let's put the neck. The dinosaur's neck. Alright. And then the head. Alright. This way. Like this. Alright. Yay! Now let's put the legs. Big one and a small one. Let's put the small one in front. Then the bigger one at the back. Alright, let's push this thing in. There. Oops. And then the other side. Alright. There you go. Okay. Alright. Now this thing, it's a foot trap. Alright. Okay, friends. There you have it. Here's our dinosaur. Okay, until next time. Thank you for watching.